Alright, so we got our fish from our fishing trip today, and I'm going to show you how to clean them. I do it in two different ways. One, filleting, and then two, I just get the head off and keep the body, and I scale it and get the scales off of it, and I leave it and I cook the whole thing like that. But we are going to fillet this one first. Okay, so I'm going to hold the fish right here. And I'm going to cut it right behind his little fin right here. And I'm going to go underneath it, right where I cut, and cut right along the backbone. I'm gonna go down here and start right there. I'm gonna flip them around. It was not the best fillet, but hey, I don't normally fillet my fish. I normally just do cut the head off. So I'm going to rinse this off real quick. And you're going to want to cut out the ribs. You can just throw that away. Then you got your piece of meat. Then you can go under the meat. And cut off the skin. You can leave the skin on there if you want to, but we're going to cut the skin off. If you leave the skin on, make sure you get the scales off. Alright, so you get your little piece of fillet. It is not nicely cut by any means. This is my first time filleting. I normally do it this way. Okay, so I am going to get the scales off this fish first with my scaler. I'm going to do it outside, but you just do like that and it gets the scales off. Alright, so I got all these scales off of them. Cut him right behind the fin as well. Get rid of his head. Then cut right down his stomach, like so. And you just want to scoop out the guts. And give him a good rinse. There you go. So his insides are all cleaned out. And you just keep it like that. So we got our fillets in here. Right.